What's good, everybody? This is the one and only GM, and today I'm doing another unboxing video. Today we're doing Marin for my dress-up darling when she do the hentai character cosplay. You heard? So this is the Taito artist masterpiece figure. This is brand new. That's a pretty cool damn figure. You know what I'm saying? Dress-up darling is dope. I watched it with my girlfriend. We liked it, so I got the Marin figure. I thought it was pretty dope. So yeah, let me open this boy so y'all can see what's good. Let's look at the detail and everything, because I know my dress-up darling is popular. And a lot of people like it. It's a really nice looking figure too. I can't front. It's a nice looking figure. It's very nice. Taito is usually not this detailed. Taito are usually more of the prize figure types that are a bit on the cheaper side, like 30 bucks around there. But this is one of the few Taito figures that I've seen that actually is really detailed. So I'm interested to see what this looks like unboxed. Well, I saw how it looks like unboxed at the convention, but I would like you guys to see it. Alright. There you go. That's how you take it out. Oh wow, this is like a little cushion joint. Oh, this joint got tape. It's one of those that you gotta really. Yeah. See, that's how you open it, you see? Let's take her out. Oh, she just comes out like that. What is this? Oh, this is really dope. This is basically everything she did to make the cosplay. It's cool. Cause she does that, she writes and draws everything so she could, you know, the design and stuff. Gojo is the one that does this for her, actually. Gojo is the one that draws the whole thing so he can know how to make it. So this is really fire. Really fire. Yeah, this is the figure right here. It's pretty dope. Let me take this out. Oh, this is her chain. Yeah, this is definitely her chain. And you're supposed to put her in this right here. Let me try and take this out, guys. Finally, that was a tough one. So basically what you need to do with this figure, it's pretty much open already. Yep, it's pretty much open already. And then you just put her on top of this. That's how the figure is. Put her on top. There you go. Put on top right here, and this, of course, you take this out. Little chain joint. You just open this. Yeah, just open it. But I'm gonna leave it like that. It's not fully on. There you go. See? So this is the my dress-up darling Marin figure. It's really dope, and it's cool quality. You see, it's really cool when you put it on this. It's really cool. This figure. I can't front. It's really dope. Yeah, it's probably one of the better detail figures that I have. So yeah, I hope y'all like this. And this is definitely, if y'all like my dress-up darling, this is a great figure to have, because a lot of my dress-up darling, like at least the Taito figures, don't look that great. And if you want like the better looking ones, they're expensive. They're $100 and up. So yeah, this is definitely worth it. So if y'all want a waifu to your collection, add this one, all right? Good detail, all right? So, you know, if y'all like these unboxing videos, be sure to follow me, fightinggm_TK on Twitch, and subscribe to my channel on YouTube, comment, and let me know what other kind of figures you want me to open. And check out all the other stuff, fightinggm everywhere, all right? So on that note, peace out, take care, and I'll see y'all later.